Hello everyone, I'm back with yet another video related to air idioms. I've already posted 2 videos that covered about 15 or so air-related idioms. So if you missed those, make sure you check them out. Links in the description below. Today, we are going to look at 4 more air idioms. Hello language lovers and language learners and intellectually curious folks everywhere. My name is Bakul Soman and welcome back to my channel. If you find my videos interesting, please make sure you share them with others that you think might enjoy them, might benefit from them, and make sure you leave me comments. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload new content each week. So let's get to our 4 air-related idioms. As I've said in every video I've done about idioms, idioms can be very tricky for non-native speakers for 2 reasons. The first reason is that looking at the actual words in an idiomatic phrase do not help you understand its meaning. You just have to know it because the intended meaning is not the meaning of each of those words put together, literally. Second, native speakers tend to use idioms very frequently. So if your goal is to become more fluent in English, idioms have to be a critical part of that process. So let's get started with today's 4 additional air idioms. Dead air. This idiom relates to broadcasting, and it refers to a situation where during a live show, because of some kind of a glitch, there is unintentionally no audio or video. Okay, so that is referred to as dead air. So here's an example. The radio host panicked when there was dead air for several seconds after his guest unexpectedly hung up. Idiom number 2, airing one's dirty laundry. This refers to discussing private, unpleasant things in public. So here's an example. She did not appreciate him airing their dirty laundry during the television interview. So he shared some unpleasant, private things that were between them, that should have stayed between them, but he made them public. Hence, he aired their dirty laundry. Idiom number 3, get the air or give someone the air. I haven't actually heard this one very often. It's not very common, but it means, so get the air means to be dismissed or to be rejected by someone. And give someone the air means to dismiss someone or to reject someone. So let's look at some examples. He got the air after only 2 months on the job. So he was let go, maybe he was fired after only 2 months on the job. So he was rejected from his job. He was dismissed from his job. She felt he was intentionally giving her the air, refusing to engage in a meaningful conversation. So she felt like she was being dismissed. She was being rejected by this other person. Give someone some air. This means to step back, give somebody some space. Okay? So here is an example. After the accident, people started crowding around the injured girl. So the policeman told everyone to give her some air. So essentially what he was saying is it doesn't have anything directly to do with air. Of course, she had enough air to breathe. However, he was telling them, move away, give her some space. Don't get too close to her. And that is it. 4 more air-related idioms. I hope you enjoyed them. Make sure you keep learning these idioms because they are very critical in enhancing your fluency, both in listening and in speaking. Thank you for watching. Make sure you take a moment to like the video and to leave a comment for me. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload my weekly videos. Thanks as always, and I will see you next time.